अकेली मैं अकेला हूँ तो खा लगा है मेला आके मेरा घर बसा जरा
मैं आऊँ क्या?
Hello family, good morning and welcome back to another new mini blog. So today sharing a view of Millenium Park Kolkata. It's a private park in Kolkata situated along the Strand Road on eastern shore of Hooghly River at a stretch of 2.5 km. The park is open from 10 am to 6:30 pm on all days of the week and the rides for the children begin from 2 pm. The entry is already free. It gives lovebirds a beautiful river view of nature and relaxing ambience, a well-maintained sitting place. You can get some stunning views of the river Ganges and the Howrah Bridge. The Millenium Park by the Ganges should be one of the most romantic parks or one of the best places of couples. Moreover, the park consists of landscape gardens and children's amusement rides. You can visit Prinsep Ghat Indian Museum, Howrah Bridge, Victoria Memorial, which is very near from this park. So getting back very soon in my next video. Till then, don't forget to show some love. Bye bye.